What's up, guys? Back for another round of working on my Tacoma. So, if you've noticed, I've got a check engine light on. I forget which trouble code it is, but it has to do with the evaporative emission system. And in the spark plug video, I showed you a little box by the intake that is part of the evaporative emission system. That is the purge valve solenoid. And an easy way to check it is you pull one of the hoses off and you can hear it suck it in there. It goes through the air and into the intake. So let's get out there and look at it. So this is that little purge valve I was talking about. It goes all the way up here into the intake. Just vacuum. In front of this goes down towards the tank. One way to tell if this is working or not, you can take this hose off right here and you can hear it sucking in through there. And this one is on its last legs. I checked it earlier and it would go and then stop and stop. So I've got a new one and we're gonna go ahead and put that in. Okay, so hose is off. Take the plug off. And there's a bolt down here. Alright, so once that's off, gotta take that screw out. See? There's the new one. Alright, so the old one's off. This little mounting plate just goes on like this. Put the screw in. And then we can tighten it down. Alright, hoses back on. You'd think they'd put an airport in here or something with all these airplanes flying in and out. This is ridiculous. I'm trying to film. So let me start it up and I'll show you guys how this sounds. So it's kicked on and running now. And that is pretty much all you got to do for that. Now, I've already changed the fuel cap, and that took care of some of the check engine lights, but I still had one remaining. Came out here and checked this. This is the second easiest thing to get to in the EVAP system, aside from the fuel cap. Everything else is behind the fuel tank and much more expensive. This was like 30 bucks. Fuel cap was like $6. The charcoal canister, that's like $200 or $300. A pressure sensor inside the fuel tank, I don't even know how much that is. But hopefully this is what fixed it.